"O Sham, when you put a golden turban on your head, your maidservants, we will stand by and serve you as your valet by arranging your hair with a comb. We will arrange it. And then with your hands, you will tuck in the curls of hair under your turban." Because when you put on the turban, some can come out, but most of them have to go inside. And any devotees that engage in deity worship, they dress Krishna, they know what this is like. Because they put on the turbans on Krishna and they have to tuck in his hair. And so the hands of the pujari and the hands of the worshipper in the sadhana level become the hands of the Siddha Sarup in the spiritual world. So all of this type of worship of Thakurji as sadhakas, when it's connected with the Nitya Lila and awareness of Krishna's Nitya Lila and his Sevaites, then it becomes a very much favorable and anukulya practice for connecting with the Nitya Lila and one is Nitya Sarup, even when doing worship in the sadhaka form. I'm a sadhaka and I'm putting a turban on my Thakurji and I'm putting his hair under the turban. But I'm thinking, oh, this is my Siddha Sarup, and I'm standing with Krishna and dressing Krishna after his hair is all disheveled. So the way we connect our present day activities as a sadhaka with the Nitya Lila is two ways. First, we meditate on our Sarup, which is our entrance into the Lila, because we need a form of seva to serve in that Lila. That form is called the Siddha Sarup. So we meditate on the Siddha Sarup within our mind, and then we recollect, if Krishna gives the memory of the Leela, then we're right there. We're sitting anywhere in the world with our Thakurji, but our mind and hearts are rushing into the Nitya Leela of Radha and Krishna. This is the perfection of seva and meditation combined together for those devotees that are doing external puja.